Oh, I already started it. We're going to Old Town today. Going on a ride out to Old Town to see a car show, huh, Nick? This isn't gonna be like the longest video ever. Show off. Yo, watch out! Emerson. Oh, I lost it. Yeah, it really is. Still gonna be fun though, because at the end we get to see a car show. Can't wait to film that. What? What about me? Oh, yeah. No. Wait, this one?
Just for the hub.
Yeah, I know. Oh, dude, I love Onyx hubs. I love how quiet they are. Oh, lost it. On the phone, that was honestly embarrassing. Emerson, I was on FaceTime with Nick, Bo, and Boston, and Adam, and put the phone in my mouth and showed them a wheelie, but I couldn't see where I was going and I looped out. It was super funny. Oh, I love ride outs. Can I make it? Oh, that was so close. Huh? Yeah.
Hey, pick up the pace.
Yeah, guys. And pick up your front tire. Like, come on. That's the only reason why I'm riding fast, is because my wheelies get faster as I ride. Oh. Your knee hurts? I'm gonna see if I can grab my handlebars, like in the middle. Nope, not that wheelie. Oh. Alright. Try number 2. Oh, I have way too much speed. Oh. It's fine. Oh, hey, we're like right next to the well. Oh. Hey, you called it. Earlier you said we were gonna ride like turtles. Oh, hey, Nick.
Hi.
Pop it up. You want to see if you can pop this up? You want to switch real quick? Oh, that one was terrible. You want to try and wheel this, Nick? Whoa, my bad, Levi. Oh, it's a wonderful day to be on a ride. Dang! It's a great day to be on a ride. Whoa, those are nice. Dude. I know, right? That ride went quicker than we thought. Oh, that's happened to me at the track before. Yeah, I hate racing with goggles. Oh, dude, my dad's house is...
It's windy and it's dusty.
Yeah. I don't really have goggles anymore. I grew out. Same here.
Hey, thank you. I'm going. Oh. No, the wind. Yeah, I know, I hate it. Oh. Hey, let me stop your front tire.
Someone's calling me.
Oh. Did that truck just not make a turn? Hey, chill.
Shut up, white chocolate. I want to get Boston out of the group chat so bad.
Why? Because he always posts reels and saying like, oh yeah, this is gonna be the summer.
It's just not, bro. This man's gonna be stuck inside playing fucking Fortnite. Fortnite? No, it's gonna be Boston.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, now, Greg.
Shit's going on YouTube.
Huh?
Did they actually?
This is going on YouTube.
Yeah, they did.
Watch it, bro. Watch your language. Oh, go! Go, Nick! Go!
Quit yelling at me!
Because you're proud of me!
Quit yelling at me!
Wait, which way? Okay, good. I'm going the right way. Ooh. Ooh.
Not riding through the grass on it. Like, Jesus. Thank you.
Oh, Bryce!
I can't, Nick. Nuh-uh. I have terrible bike control. You should know that. little baby geese. They're so cute. Nick is tweaking, bro. Dun, dun. Little side quest on our side quest. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh, there we go. I don't have suspension, so that. Wait, which way? That way? I had dirt bike gloves that I could have brought.
Oh man, we can't go through this time. I know.
I'm down.
I'm down.
There's a whole lake right there. Same thing. I'm in jeans in what, 80-degree weather? Nah, it feels like 60s, but that's because of the wind. Ooh, 1-footer. Love the dog. Try and stop my front tire if I have enough control.
Oh.
It came to bite you. I do not have that much control yet.
Jeez, the wind.
I know. Dang. On an XE bike, that's crazy.
This is the worst gear ratio on this thing ever.
Why? What's the ratio?
I don't know, but it's really hard to pedal.
At least we're not stuck on a class bike like Nick. I think.
Oh, they're swimming in the canal.
Oh, it's your puppies. Oh,
I wish I could be the dogs.
I know, it's so hot. Then again, I am in jeans. Such a good riding outfit. Jeans and a t-shirt. Ooh.
Do you know who Joel is?
Who?
Joel?
Joel?
Yeah, Joel.
I don't know.
Oh, he's a demon.
Hey, pop it up, Levi.
He jumped, broke, and unclipped.
Jeez.
That's just he does downhill racing.
Ah, that makes sense.
He does beat Magna like a little.
Levi, pop it up. I haven't seen you pop it up yet. Huh?
I'm good.
Why?
Oh my god, I'm stinking.
Which way?
No, straight. Well, are we going to Crone Wolf first? Oh, are you thirsty?
Emerson, you took us on the wrong fucking trail.
You're kind of thirsty?
The trail's right there.
Are you thirsty? Oh. You thirsty?
Oh, I just crushed my nut.
Oh, you thirsty?
I love crushing nuts.
You thirsty?
Yeah, but I'll hold off. It's fine.
Yeah, I think we can hold it.
Yeah.
Plus there's strings.
Oh,
Yeah, for real.
okay, shortcut. Oh, I love bridges. I don't know why. Oh, person.
I'm not thinking those.
I don't know why, but bridges are just so much fun. Ooh. Oh no, downhill. I don't think I'm good at those. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's so much speed. Oh, I didn't loop it. Whenever there's a downhill, there has to be an uphill. Straight. Oh, do a little 1-footer, but that threw me off. That's wild.
I manualed down the tunnel so far.
I didn't manual. I pedaled, but I was spinning like crazy. I don't. No. No. I'm not on my dirt bike.
Oh yeah, that hill climb is so fun. Let's go, Bryce. It's easy.
No, I'm not on my. Yeah, but I'm not on my dirt bike. You know what? Fine. Oh, that's so fun. He's. Oh, that was fun. Levi, keep going. You know what the scariest thing to do during a wheelie is? Look at my front finger. Take it off the brake, it sucks. Oh. Oh, I should have brought water in my bag. It's fine. Would have taken us longer. Yeah, you know what? I need a photo of this. This is fun. Hold up, Levi. Fall back. I'm going to take a photo. Ah! Can't sneak up on me like that. Don't you dare. You do that, I kill you. Oh, Bullet's right there. I used to train there. That gray building, I used to train. Emerson. Where did Levi go? Oh. No. Salesman. It was like a dealership. Yeah. No, wait, maybe. That might be Keith.
Keith Wolford. I don't think that's
it. It looks just like his truck.
That is his truck.
Oh, go! Go! I'm not talking to you. I can't. I hope I didn't just pop my tire. So am I. Just go. My bag is weighing me down so much. Guys, we're so close to Old Town. Do a little jumpy jump. Oh, dude, I love that place. Huh? No, but I just love gun stores in general. Yo, it's like, yo, hold up, go. No, oh no, look at that thing. Look at that red thing. Mustang, Corvette, and then some red car. Is that, it's a lifted Miata. Hey, wait, watch out. Corvette! Go. And, oh, bro. Dude, a lifted Miata is wild. That's wild.
I think we found the car show.
Nah, it's down there. It's actually all blocked off down there. I see a big rig.
And there's a manual too. That's amazing.
Oh, dude, imagine doing mud races in that thing.
I have a guy that actually does that.
Oh, that's wild.
Bro, my brake's doing it again.
Ugh. Oos, oos. Ugh.
Holy, there's diesel trucks.
Yo, semis. I love semis. Most American car, in my opinion. Love them. Yo, we made it to the car show, boys. Oh, I love the classics. Like literally my dream car. Dude, look at that dually. That white dually. Oh, dude. Guys, we made it to the car show. Oh, that's nice. Dude. Alright. Yeah, we know. Yeah. I'm already broke. Slug bus blue.
What's up, dude? I was at work.
Yeah, let's go explore.
I want to see the gray one. It's not very much.
I don't, maybe. Emerson, watch the peg. Dude.
Oh, that's a turbo right there with the heat shield.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's awesome.
that's like the biggest turbo.
Oh, Emerson, this was at Cali Creek.
It was? I didn't see it.
Double E trucking.
The turbo is bigger than my head. I know, right? Well, that alternator is huge too. Peterbilt was so nice.
Dude, who doesn't love a Peterbilt?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I think at the dunes, he had a Peterbilt.
In the
Alright.
dunes.
Yeah, in the dunes. Are we gonna keep walking?
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanna walk? I'm gonna cover my phone. No, cover his head.
Dude. Check out all these cars. Did you hurt your bike? How?
I freaking pedal went right in the back of my car.
Oh. Yeah, keep walking. Yeah. Dude, imagine ripping a wheelie through here. Dude. Love those. The Chevy truck. I want one of those. 100%. Huh?
Calls you Bryson on accident.
Hey, I'm not Bryson. It's just Bryce.
Okay, so we're gonna
El Camino. Oh, so nice. Dude. Oh no, that one's it. Dude, I love the trucks. The Cobra. That's mine and my dad's dream car. I need a photo of this. Darn right they are. Dude. Yeah. Oh, no, that's just a prop, I think. Yeah. Rose is really interested in those headlights.
Like, wow.
Oh, it is? No, it's not. Oh. Hold up, I need... Watch out, Emerson.
Patrick, you were in so much trouble. Hey, glad you guys hooked up, man. Right on.
Look at the drag cars. Dude. Oh, hot rods are sick, bro. Dude.
Song is now 4 minutes.
Oh my goodness, look at this thing, guys. Yeah, I know that one is too. Huh? Probably not, we just started coming here. It's a little crowded for that. Hey, that lady just asked if we were gonna do tricks. I said it's a little crowded. Yeah, Emerson could be hitting like no-handers and donuts, bro. Yeah. Oh, dude, I always love car shows. Music, food, people, and cars. Love them. Like, check this thing out, bro. Oh, my bad. Check out that truck. I can't read it there. Dude. Okay. Yeah, she had her turn signal on, but she can't go that way. It's all blocked off by cars. Huh? Oh, yeah. Bro, why did they stop making cars like this?
For real, right? Now we got...
Like, I wish that I was living in Radiator Springs right now. He's over by the hot rod still.
Where is he?
I wish I was living in Radiator Springs with all these cars as normal daily drivers, bro. I would love that. Oh.
Hey, no parking.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Hey, watch out for the truck. Right there. Huh. Check this thing out. Yeah, at that point, Emerson, just go take a seat right in that gap and just admire the engine.
Oh my god. Nigga, like, you're in that box.
Meet me on the other side. He's been calling us like 14 different times. We're gonna tell him to ride.
The Ghost. Dude,
You don't know.
the Ghost is sick right there. It's such a nice car. Oh.
Thank you very much, young man. Thanks, guys. We appreciate it.
Actually,
That's an inline six.
yeah.
Hey, baby, don't be cruel. I was hollering $9. I was down like a fool. Baby, please let me in.
Oh, it's
I
a
swear I
puppy.
never do it again. Hey, babe,
They're really fast.
let's start all over again.
Why did they ever stop making cars like this, bro?
Hey, babe, let's start all over again.
Shaker, that's nice. Fuel injection.
Emerson, it has a Whipple.
That's a Pro Charger Whipple. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Dude.
That's insane. That's what I was saying.
The carbon front.
Carbon intake.
Yeah, that too.
I'm pretty sure it's a Pro Charger.
Emerson, it's not a supercharger. It has the thing on it. It's a supercharger.
Yeah, no, it's a Whipple. A supercharger and a Whipple is two different things.
Whipple makes superchargers.
Yeah, Whipple is a different thing than a supercharger.
It says Whipple supercharger. Look, right there.
Yeah, a Whipple.
It's a supercharger.
Yeah.
You said it is. You said the two different things.
I don't know.
Yo. Hold up. Watch the bike. Twister Special. I love that decal. Oh, the manual transmission. Oh, I really want a manual when I'm older. Hey, hold up. Alright. Nick. Nick. I'm in the video.
What?
Dude, the Corvette. Oh, that's a C3. Oh, I love those things. Alright. A boat? A boat go-kart. Hold up. Dude. That's awesome. I love the bomber decals. Alright. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't know why I'm saying that, but still, thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the video. See you later.